Fuel additives help keep your engine clean and running smoothly. Two common types are fuel injector cleaners and fuel system cleaners. While they may sound similar, they serve different purposes and are used in different situations. Here is a quick guide to help you choose the right one. A fuel injector cleaner is a type of liquid additive that you pour directly into your vehicle's gas tank. Its main job is to clean the fuel injectors, which are small nozzles that spray fuel into the engine. Over time, fuel injectors can get dirty or clogged with carbon, dirt, and varnish. This is more likely if you use low-quality fuel or have not cleaned the system in a while. You might notice problems like rough idling, jerky acceleration, or poor fuel economy. Using a fuel injector cleaner helps remove harmful buildups inside the injectors. This allows fuel to spray more evenly and efficiently into the engine. This leads to better engine performance, smoother driving, and improved gas mileage. It also reduces harmful emissions and extends the life of your engine components. Fuel injector cleaners are most effective when used regularly as part of routine vehicle maintenance, typically every 3,000 to 5,000 miles of driving. Fuel injector cleaners are great for newer cars and help keep the engine running smoothly. A fuel system cleaner is a powerful additive designed to clean the entire fuel system in your vehicle, not just the fuel injectors. When added to your gas tank, it flows through the entire fuel system. Over time, carbon builds up on the piston tops, intake valves, and fuel injectors. The cleaner's main job is to remove this carbon, dirt, and other deposits that can harm engine performance. In addition to removing deposits, some fuel system cleaners also include lubricants that help protect fuel system parts. You should use a fuel system cleaner if you have been using low-quality fuel or have not cleaned the system in a long time. It is also helpful if your car shows signs like power loss or lower gas mileage. Fuel system cleaners are used less often than fuel injector cleaners, usually every 10,000 to 15,000 miles. They work best for older cars or vehicles that need a deep, full fuel system cleaning. Using a fuel system cleaner periodically can help extend the life of your engine. In short, use a fuel injector cleaner if your car is running mostly fine and just needs regular care. Use a fuel system cleaner if your car is older, has not been cleaned in a while, or is not running well. Choosing the right cleaner at the right time helps keep your engine clean and running smoothly. It can also save you money on fuel and future repairs.